Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 7 Geography, Chapter 9 Life in the Deserts. How are you children? I hope all of you are safe and fine there at home.
Children, in the last class, we have learned so many questions. I hope all of you have studied all those questions very well. Shall I ask some questions? Okay. Sahara is a dash type of desert. Sahara is a dash type of desert. Which type of desert is Sahara? Yes, hot desert. Then, this Sahara is located in which part of Africa? Sahara is located in the northern part of Africa. Then next one, match the following. Oasis, Bedouins, oil, Gangri, Lamayura. Then Libya, monastery, glacier, depressions with water, cold desert, Sahara. So oasis is matched with depressions with water. Okay. So oasis means the depressions with water. Then Bedouins. Bedouins. Sahara. Bedouins is mainly found in Sahara. Then oil. Oil in Libya. Oil in Libya. Then next one, Gangri. Gangri is a type of glacier. Okay. Gangri is the name of a glacier. Then Lamayura. Lamayura is a monastery. Lamayura means monastery. Okay. Then next one, give reasons. Give reasons question. This is very important. All these give reasons questions are very important. Children, study well. Okay. There is scanty vegetation in the deserts. What is the reason behind this? There is scanty vegetation in the desert. We already studied. In desert area, scanty vegetation is there. What is the reason behind this? There is scanty vegetation in the desert because of the following reasons. So there are a number of reasons for this scanty vegetation. Vegetation depends on two factors. Which are the two factors? Climate and soil. Okay. So the vegetation depends upon two factors, climate and soil. The climate in the desert is either very hot and dry or very cold and dry. So these are the most common factors, climate and soil. Then what about the climate? The climate in the desert is either very hot and dry, okay, like Sahara, or very cold and dry like Ladakh. Such a climate does not allow the growth of vegetation. So, if it is very hot, it will not allow the growth of vegetation. If it is very cold, this will not allow the growth of vegetation. So, both climate, very hot and dry climate and very cold and dry climate, both does not allow the growth of vegetation. Then next one, rainfall is scanty. Rainfall is scanty. Very less rainfall is there in this area. Hot and dry deserts and cold and dry deserts, the rainfall is very low. Hence, the vegetation does not grow in dry conditions. Okay, we all know vegetation needs so much water or rainfall. So, if the rainfall is scanty, what happened to the vegetation? It will not grow properly in the dry conditions. Okay. Then, soil is either sandy. In hot deserts, we all know in hot desert, sandy plains are there. Sandy areas are there. So, the soil is either sandy or covered with snow. Cold desert like Ladakh. This cold deserts covered with snow for most of the year. Both type of soil do not encourage vegetation to grow. Okay, so all these are the reasons behind the scanty vegetation in the desert. Okay, once more, vegetation depends upon two factors, climate and soil. The climate in the deserts is either very hot and dry or very cold and dry. This type of climate, hot or dry and cold and dry climate, does not allow the growth of vegetation. Then another reason is rainfall is scanty. Hence the vegetation does not grow in dry conditions. This rainfall is very low in these areas. So this vegetation does not grow properly in the dry conditions. Then another one, the soil is either sandy in the hot deserts or covered with snow in cold deserts for most of the year. Both types of soil do not encourage vegetation to grow. Okay, shall we discuss the next question? Okay, people of the Sahara Desert wear heavy robes. What is the reason behind this? Okay, we already studied that the people of the Sahara Desert wear heavy robes. What is the reason behind this? Because of the following reasons. First one, robes of the people of Sahara Desert are made of hides of animals or hair of animals. Okay, so these robes of the people of Sahara deserts are made of hides of animals or hair of animals. And these robes are very heavy. Why? Because they protect the people from the scorching sun and the extreme heat. Okay, then they also protect the people from dust storms and hot winds. That's why the people of the Sahara Desert wear heavy robes. Okay, so these robes protect the people from scorching sun and the extreme heat.
Children, please note that the corresponding URL, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this video. Make use of all these available resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.